If you want to enable or disable the home screen wallpaper blur effect on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to blur the home screen wallpaper of your iPhone, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit. From here, just select Edit Wallpaper, and at the bottom right corner of the screen, you will find the option of Blur. Now if you enable this option, you will apply a blur effect to the wallpaper of your home screen. Now let's tap on Done to save the changes. And as you can see, we have successfully blurred the wallpaper of our home screen. Now to unblur it, just tap and hold on the empty space on your home screen, then tap on Edit and select Edit Wallpaper. Now this time just disable the blur effect. And after you do that, then tap on Done to save. And as you can see, this is how you can enable or disable home screen wallpaper blur effect on your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.